Hello and welcome to this latest DPA video interview. Today I'm with David Hughes, Country Managing Director at ABB UK. In a series of videos, we'll be talking about ABB in 2020 and what the company has learned and discovered over the last few months. So David, we're hearing a lot about net zero and carbon reduction. What does it mean when buying motors and drives?
Hi Paige, firstly thank you for giving ABB the opportunity to give some of our ideas and thoughts around net zero in relation to the world of variable speed drives and motors. With a number of observations, but my first observation is around don't lose focus towards the great investments that our industry and your industry has made in energy saving around motors and drives technology. So what does it mean? 40% of industrial electricity is used and consumed in the electric motor, yet less than 20% of the global installed base is fitted with a drive. That despite the proven fact that drives and high efficient electric motors remain the most effective pairing, not only for reducing energy consumption in most motor driven applications, but for helping improve productivity. If we take one market segment, which is the water industry, as an example, the drives have played a really massive role in reducing energy and carbon emissions by directly improving the electric system, mitigating harmonics, and preventing leakage. On the leakage front, the UK loses 3,000 megalitres of water each day. Each litre needs to be replaced, so that means more water must be cleaned and filtered and then re-pumped through the supply network. So fitting drives and motors to pumps massively contributes to the prevention of leaks in the first place. I think we're also seeing a new breed of energy manager, and they're armed with a mandate to look beyond the capital cost and closely at the operational cost and the carbon reductions over a more sustained longer lifetime. Basically, that is when you consider the purchase price of a motor, it's that price is consumed by its energy use within the first month of operation. And then you can see there's some real savings to be made in the mid to longer term. My second observation is around legislation, whether it's ESOS, SCCR. There are lots of rules and regulations that need to be followed. So please consult your drives and motor supplier who will be able to advise on the best solution moving forward. I'll also go into motor legislation. It's evolving. Again, next year we're going to see the new EU MEPS scheme, which basically has seen over the years a movement from IE1 motors, which are low efficiency motors, towards IE5, the ultra premium motor. We have a product called the synchronous reluctance motor, which is now IE5. It's a well-established technology that is cost comparable to traditional induction motor, yet it's the equivalent footprint and much more efficient. My final observation is towards investing in young engineers. So as an example, we are going to see energy demand raised by 61% in 2040 against 2016. We have many graduates who believe in the net zero and climate, yet many young engineers appear to be having little or no real understanding of drive and motor technology. This suggests that many companies could be missing out realistically on many substantial energy savings benefits and drives. Especially a message to the young engineers, you're no doubt keen to save energy and cut pollution, but are they aware that, as an example, the installed base of ABB drives saved 515 terawatt hours in 2017 of energy used? That's the equivalent of the consumption of more than 130 million households in the EU.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, David.